Let's be honest, traveling with little kids is rarely relaxing, but the right resort can make all the difference. If you're planning a family trip to Bali and want the honest scoop on what it's really like to stay at a luxury resort with kids, keep watching. This is the Bali resort where luxury meets family time. Finding a place that keeps both kids and adults happy isn't always easy, but the Grand Hyatt Nusa Dua might just be the kind of place that actually works for everyone. This is the Grand Executive Suite King. The first thing we noticed was how spacious and spotless everything was. There was room to spread out, unpack without tripping over bags, and space to catch our breaths when we needed a break from the sun. And my favorite part, the balcony. With lake views and the sound of waves, it feels like your own little escape, especially peaceful at night. When you're traveling internationally with kids, food can be a challenge. That's why having access to a hotel club lounge can really help take the pressure off. At the Grand Hyatt Nusa Dua, booking a room with Grand Club access means you get breakfast and evening canapés included, along with drinks, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. In the mornings, you can choose to have breakfast at the Grand Club or head to one of the on-site restaurants. We loved having options depending on how the day was going. The Grand Hyatt Nusa Dua offers a range of dining options from lighter dishes at their garden cafe to authentic Japanese cuisine at Nampu to more immersive experiences like a traditional Balinese dinner with live dance performances. There are 5 pools spread across the resort, from a shallow kids pool to the adults-only pool at the gym to a dedicated Grand Club pool. There's something for everyone. If you can fit in a spa treatment during your stay, I highly recommend it. Both my husband and I had massages at the Korea Spa, and it was such a welcome break. The setting is peaceful and calming from the moment you arrive, and the tea and little snack afterward really added to the experience. It was a quiet moment to reset before returning to the rest of the day. The resort also has a kids club and a toddler club. Older kids can join on their own, while little ones need to be accompanied by a parent or nanny. Our daughter especially loved feeding the bunnies. You can also book photo shoots at the resort to capture some great family memories. The beach at the Grand Hyatt is beautiful, but when we visited, there was quite a bit of seaweed and trash along the shore. We spent 9 nights at the Grand Hyatt Nusa Dua, using a mix of cash and points to keep costs down. We booked 7 nights with credit card points and paid cash for 2 nights. When we booked, the resort was a Category 1 property, which meant great value for points, but it's now a Category 3 hotel. For the nights we paid cash, the rate was $119 per night. We absolutely loved our stay at the Grand Hyatt Nusa Dua and think it's the perfect place to visit with little ones. The staff was great all around and loved interacting with our kids. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos and keep on traveling. See you at the next hotel. Bye!